Today we are going to discuss some MCQ questions from triangles. First question, sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio A 2:3, B 4:9, C 81:16, D 16:81. If two triangles are similar to each other, then the ratio of the areas of these triangles will be equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides of these triangles. It is given that the sides are in the ratio 4:9. Therefore, the ratio between the areas of this triangle is equal to 4/9 the whole square. That is equal to 16/81. That is equal to 16:81. So, our option is D. The areas of two similar triangles are in respectively 9 cm square and 16 cm square. The ratio of their corresponding sides is A 3:4, B 4:3, C 2:3, D 4:5. We know that ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Then area of triangle 1 divided by area of triangle 2, that is equal to side 1 square divided by side 2 square, A1 square by A2 square. Here the area is 9/16, that is equal to A1 square by A2 square. Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to A1 by A2 is equal to 3/4. So, the ratios are 3:4. Okay. Then our option is A. Third question, the areas of two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DF are 144 cm square and 81 cm square respectively. If the longest side of larger triangle ABC be 36 cm, then the longest side of smaller triangle DEF is option A 20 cm, option B 26 cm, option C 27 cm and option D 30 cm. Then ratios of areas is equal to 144:81. Then ratio of sides is equal to 12:9. Okay. Then longest side, let the longest side be x. Then 36:x, that is equal to 12:9. Therefore, x is equal to 36 into 9 divided by 12. That is equal to 3. Then 3 into 9 means that is 27 centimeter. So, our option is C, 27 centimeter. Then fourth question, triangle ABC and triangle BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. The ratio of the areas of triangles ABC and BD is option A 2:1, option B 1:2, option C 4:1, option D 1:4. This is triangle ABC. This point is D and here this is BDE. Triangle ABC and triangle BD are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of the areas of similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of the squares of their sides. Then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BDE is equal to ABC. ABC means that is BC. BC square by BD square. Then BC is equal to 2BD. So, we can write here 2BD square divided by BD square. That means 4BD square divided by BD square. We can cancel this BD square and BD square. Then we will get 4:1. So, our option is C. Then fifth question, if triangle ABC and triangle DF are similar such that 2AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to 8 cm, then EF is equal to option A 16 cm, option B 12 cm, option C 8 cm, option D 4 cm. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. Okay, this is the triangle ABC, and this is the triangle DEF. These two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So D by AB is equal to EF by BC. Then AB is equal 2AB is equal to D. 2AB is equal to D. So instead of D we can write 2AB by AB is equal to, then EF. We want to find EF. BC is equal to 8 cm. So EF divided by 8 cm. We can cancel this AB and AB. Then 2 is equal to EF by 8. Therefore EF is equal to 16 cm. So our option A. Then sixth question. If triangle ABC and triangle DF are two similar triangles such that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD is equal to 2 by 5, then area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DF is equal to 2 is to 5, 4 is to 25, 4 is to 15, 18 is to 125. Here triangle ABC and triangle DF are similar because AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to CA by FD. Then the area of triangle ABC divided by area of the triangle DF is equal to area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square. That is equal to 2 by 5. So 2 square by 5 square, that is equal to 4 by 25. That means ratio 4 is to 25. So option B. Then seventh question. XY is drawn parallel to the base BC of a triangle ABC cutting AB at X and AC at Y. If AB is equal to 4BX and YZ is equal to 2 cm, then AY is equal to option A 2 cm, 4 cm, 6 cm, 8 cm. Okay, triangle ABC. This is XY. Here triangle AXY and triangle ABC are similar because angle A is equal to angle A. Then angle AXY, this angle is equal to angle B, corresponding angle. So we can say that triangle AXY is similar to triangle ABC. Then BX is equal to, suppose BX is equal to EX. AB is equal to 4BX is given, so AB is equal to 4X. Then BX is equal to X, then AB is equal to 4X means this is 4X, then AX is equal to 3X. Okay, then AX by BX is equal to AY by YC. AX means that is 3X divided by BX. BX means that is EX, that is equal to AY divided by YC, that is already given here, that is 2. So AY by 2. We can cancel this X and X. Then AY is equal to 6 cm. Okay, then our option is C. Okay students, study up to here. The remaining questions we will discuss in the next class. Okay, bye.